Hey everyone, it's Ryan, and I know it's been a while, but today I'm going to be making a pendulum on Latex. So, let's start off by using the Circuitikz package and the Circuitikz or the Tix library for its patterns, angles, and quotes. So, let's first make the Circuitikz environment. So I'm going to center everything. Begin this, and then end with the Circuitikz environment again. Okay, so let's first make the ceiling. So for the ceiling, I kind of have a little preview over here on the right, but I'm just going to make a rectangle with a dashed pattern and a solid line on the bottom. So let's fill in pattern, northeast lines from 0, 0 to 10, 25. Okay, and this looks just like this here. And then I'm going to fill in the, do that solid line on the bottom. So I'm going to draw from 0, 0 to 10, 0. Just like this. Okay. Next, I'm actually going to draw the pendulum. So first I'm going to draw from 5, 0, which is kind of the middle of the ceiling here. I'm going to call this the pivot. And then I'm going to do 45 to 5 coordinates. Call this the bob. So what this does is this plus negative 45 colon 5 tells us to rotate from this vertical line here. You can't really see it, but it's a vertical line. Negative 45 degrees or 45 degrees counterclockwise, and make that line 5 units long. And next, I'm going to draw the bob or the circle at the end of the line. So I'm going to fill in, make it gray, the bob coordinates. I'm going to make the circle 0.3. There we go. And then I'm going to draw a black outline so it looks a bit better. So draw at the bob, a circle of 0.3. Just like this. Okay, and then let's draw the previous position of the pendulum. So I'm just going to make that like a vertical pendulum basically. So I'm going to draw dashed from the pivot to 5, negative 4.7. So let's see, just like that, and then let's draw the head of this pendulum. So draw dashed from 5, negative 5. I'm going to call this the center and make a circle of 0.3. And there we go. Now the last step is to make a little angle indicating how far it has moved. And that's optional, but I'm just going to do it for the sake of the video. And I'm going to draw a pick. So draw, make it an arrow. I'm going to label this theta. Theta. There we go. Angle eccentricity is 1.2. Angle radius is 1 centimeter. Okay. And you can play around with these settings, but I personally like this the most. And the angle is going to go from the center to the pivot to the bob. Okay. Alright, let's see. And so there's an error. Let me check where the error is coming from. Okay. You're supposed to have 2 dashed lines here. There we go. This should work now. Perfect. Okay, so we see the angle and the theta. Okay, and let's download the PDF and see what the final product looks like. And here it is. Now, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. And besides that, have a great day.